Are you getting a lens error on your Nikon COOLPIX? First, turn the camera off and take a close look around the lens. Dust, sand, or even tiny bits of debris can cause the lens to jam. Use a soft brush or an air blower to gently clear anything you see. Don't use canned air up close, since the pressure can damage the lens. If that doesn't work, try a power cycle. Turn the camera off, remove the battery, and wait about 30 to 60 seconds. Then put the battery back in and power it on. This can reset both the electronics and the lens alignment. If the lens does move but gets stuck, you can very gently guide it as it extends or retracts. Stop immediately if you feel strong resistance. You don't want to force it. This trick sometimes works if the mechanism is just slightly misaligned. And for prevention, always keep your camera in a case, avoid dusty or sandy areas, and handle it carefully to avoid drops. That way you're less likely to run into the lens error again.